A year of fun in Canada. In Canada, a brother and sister named Leo and Mia loved to celebrate. Their year of fun always began on the very first day of January. "Happy New Year," they would shout as they watched the sky light up, saying goodbye to the old year and hello to the new one. In February, love was in the air for Valentine's Day. Leo and Mia didn't have a girlfriend or boyfriend, but they had lots of people to love. They spent the day cutting out paper hearts and making cards for their family and friends. When March came, everything turned green for St. Patrick's Day. "Everyone's a little bit Irish today," their dad would say. Leo and Mia would wear their silliest green hats and dance around the living room, pretending to be lucky leprechauns. Spring brought sunshine, flowers, and Easter. On Easter morning, Leo and Mia would wake up very early. They would peek out of their bedroom door, whispering, "Do you think the Easter bunny came?" And he always did. They would find a trail of delicious chocolate eggs leading from their room. With baskets in hand, they would follow the trail, gathering all the sweet treats the Easter bunny had hidden just for them. In May, they celebrated Victoria Day. To honor a queen from long ago, the day would end with a spectacular show. Leo and Mia would lie on a blanket in the cool spring air and watch the fireworks paint pictures in the night sky. July the 1st was a big birthday party for the whole country. It was Canada Day. Leo and Mia dressed in red and white. They waved small Canadian flags at the parade and sang the national anthem with pride. When the leaves turned orange and yellow in October, it was time for Thanksgiving. The whole family would gather for a big turkey dinner. "I'm thankful for turkey," Leo would say. "I'm thankful for you," Mia would reply. The very last day of October was the spookiest, silliest night of the year, Halloween. Leo and Mia would dress up in costumes and go door to door with their friends, shouting, "Trick or treat," to collect a bag full of candy. November was a time for quiet remembering. On Remembrance Day, Leo and Mia wore bright red poppy pins on their coats. They would stand quietly for a moment to think about all the brave people who helped their country. Then, December arrived, bringing snow and the magic of Christmas. Leo and Mia would leave cookies and milk by the fireplace. They knew that Santa Claus would soon arrive in his sleigh, pulled by flying reindeer. On Christmas morning, they would race downstairs to find their stockings bulging with toys and goodies. Santa had come. From New Year's fireworks to Christmas toys, Leo and Mia knew they lived in a country full of wonderful ways to celebrate.